Okay, guys, found something interesting about my truck today. I fixed the exhaust manifold leak, as you guys know or may not have known. As you can see in the previous videos I got, and now it's starting to rattle. I thought the rattle came from when the bolts were looking at loose in the manifold, were broken in the manifold. I thought the exhaust leak was coming from that. The exhaust rattle was coming from that. But this is what I found today when I got under here, because now it's starting back to rattle again. My truck looks great on the bottom. All the hangers are in place, intact. There's nothing loose. The rubbers are good. But right here is what I found weird. This connection right here, I don't know if it should be welded. Let me zoom in. I don't know if that connection should be welded. I'm pretty sure this hanger. It is. I'm gonna have to put another clamp on it. That's what it is. This clamp is not holding. I know if I tighten it up, it probably will break. So, let me see if it's still hot. No, it's okay. Let me zoom back out. I'm trying to get it clear for you guys. Yeah, so that clamp, it's not holding anymore. If I tighten it up, it's probably gonna break. So I need to get another clamp because I want to show you guys this. This is what the rattling coming from in this area. Let me go back around. If I shake the pipe, it's loose. Let me try to put the phone down so you guys can see. Look at that. So the clamp is broken and this is making a noise. I shouldn't be able to move this at all. You guys can probably see it moving super easy. And I'm afraid to tighten up on this. I think this is a C clamp or U clamp, one of them, maybe a C clamp, but I'm afraid to tighten up on it because I know it's gonna break. So I have space to put a clamp here to tighten down on this, but this is where my rattling's coming from, guys. So I'm gonna have to put a clamp right there. Should be a simple fix. Let's go back to the other side. So that clamp is bad. So I got room right there to put another clamp in front. I'll put another clamp in front of there and tighten it down, and that should eliminate the rattle I'm getting. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. I'm gonna fix it, and then I'll put a, you know what, I'll fix it. I'll put a clamp on there, and then I'll just finish this video out with that. So stay tuned. Parts store, the auto parts store, and that's about this. So heavy duty exhaust clamp, 3-inch. So U clamp. I'm gonna put it on and let's see what it do. I'll get it kind of fitted up there nice and neat so it won't be hanging down, and let's see what happens. Okay guys, I got the clamp on there, it's tightened down. Pipe ain't budging no more. It's fixed. I angled it that way because it was better for me to get a wrench on there if I needed to, on both screws, and have leverage. This is a pretty long wrench. Or a deep dish 9/16. Fit perfect. fit perfect. So as you can see, I mean, this back fit up there perfect in front of the other clamp. I didn't have to remove it. So you can see kind of in there, it's all the way around, and it's back tight. The piper's not moving anymore. Shake it again for you guys. I'm using some strength. I'm shaking the car. Nothing. So a quick fix, guys. Hope this video helped. Let me let you guys hear the car now. I should be just rattle free and extremely quiet now. I was actually losing some pressure from there too. So a little bit. Exhaust pressure. Let's hear it started up, and like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos coming. My biggest video today coming with this, which is my health video. I've been filming it for about 2 years. It's about our health and how it's important to us, and you guys can learn a lot of things from it. So stay tuned for that. But just thought I'd show you guys this. Let's hear it start up, and I guess I'm done. Terrence are out. Okay, let's listen for a rattle now. This is on first startup. I've been started in a few hours. No more rattle. Rattle down. Oh man, it's nice. No more rattle, guys. Rattling.